Hi everybody, it's Dr. Rizvi from Advanced Foot and Ankle Centers of Illinois, and today we're going to talk about bunions, but most importantly, bunion myths. We're going to debunk some of them. And so the first myth is that bunion surgery is very, very painful, which simply is not true. The patient will need pain medication for the first couple of days. We generally see the patient back on day 3 post-op, and at that point, the patient is for the most part pain-free, walking around, not completely normal, but at that point, the patient doesn't need the pain medication they did for the first couple of days. The second myth is that bunion surgery has a very, very long recovery, which also isn't true. Generally, the patient could actually walk the same day in a special surgical shoe. If the patient has a desk job, they can go to work the same week. There's certain cases where the bunion is a lot bigger. In that case, we'll have to do a more invasive surgery, and at that point, the patient might be non-weight bearing for about 2 weeks, but generally not more than that. The third myth is that tight shoes are the primary reason that the patient gets a bunion, which also isn't true. The reason that most people get a bunion is because of the structure of their foot. The structure of their foot is something that's genetic, handed down from their parents or grandparents. And so generally it's going to be someone who has a flat foot type that is more prone to a bunion versus somebody who has more of a normal arched foot. And the fourth myth is that bunion surgery can only be treated with surgery and there's nothing else to do with it. And so that's also not true. There's a lot of conservative things we initially do when the patient comes in for a bunion. And a lot of those won't get rid of the bunion, but it'll get rid of the pain associated with the bunion, which is what most people want anyways. And so some of those things are custom inserts. We could do a cortisone injection, NSAIDs, as well as therapy. And so if you have bunion pain, we're happy to see you here at Advanced Foot and Ankle Centers of Illinois.